Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Is this Arvika?
Yes,
Okay. Arvika will just start in a minute. Just give me a few minutes, okay?
Hey Arika, how are you? You can unmute yourself, Arika.
yes,
Okay, so Arika would like to inform you as there is only one child, which is you, right? So we might not conduct the demo. If you have joined us before also, you must be aware of it. With only single child, we don't conduct the demos basically, okay? So we will be going to have a quick interaction with the mentor. And in case, meanwhile, if any other child also join, then we'll conduct the demo. We'll start the demo, okay?
Okay.
Otherwise, whatsoever queries you have, you can ask from your mentor. All right. Okay.
yes.
So, Arvika, quickly tell us from which school and city you're joining us.
Huh?
From which school and city you are joining us.
I am joining from Japan, Yokohama.
Okay.
The, this is my home, but my school is Horizon Japan International School.
Oh, that's great. So, in which grade you are in? Are you from 3 or 4, 5
Two.
or 6? You are from which grade? 2.
Two.
But this is not grade 2 demo.
Huh?
This is not grade 2 demo.
But my dad said it.
Oh, that's great. So you want to attend demo of year ahead?
Huh?
You want to attend a demo of year ahead?
Okay.
That's not possible. See, this demo is for grade 3 or 4, okay? But you are from grade 2, so we cannot conduct this demo with you, okay?
Actually,
Yeah.
it is almost going to be summer break, so after summer break, I will turn into grade 3.
Okay, then that's perfect. I think that's why your father has asked you to join this demo then, right? Because you'll be promoting in grade 3. Is it so?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now your summer break is going on?
No, it is not summer
It's
break.
not started yet. It is not started yet?
No, it is here. It is May 20.
Okay, so here also it is May 20, honey. So when your summer break is going to continue?
Uh, on June 1, maybe.
Oh, okay. And then after that, when your school will be reopening?
Huh?
So after that, when your school will be reopening?
My school will be opening at 20, maybe.
20th June. Only 20 holidays you'll be
No,
getting from school.
20 July.
Wow, 1 month and 20 days. Quite long time. So after 20th July, on 21st of July, you'll be going to sit in grade 3. Is it so?
Yeah, but I'm not sure about the summer break.
Okay, so dates you're not sure about it, right? But about your grade, you are sure,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so do you have any questions? Do you know what is Vedic mathematics?
What did you say?
Do you know what is Vedic mathematics?
I don't know that though.
Okay, do you want to ask from your mentor? Shall I introduce you with your mentor?
Yeah.
Okay, so for your class, Vedic mathematics, we have Vikram sir over here with you, okay, who will be going to teach you Vedic mathematics. So he'll be going to interact with you a bit. So what's your questions that's popping up in your mind, you can ask from him, okay? Right. Over to you, Vikram sir.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. So hi, Arvika.
Yes.
We have already met before, but let's have a quick introduction. Let me introduce
Yes.
myself first. My name is Vikram Rawat, and by education, I'm a mechanical engineer. But I've been in the field of education for the past 7, 8 years now. And I train people for Vedic mathematics. I teach science as well to students. And with you, if we have Vedic mathematics classes, we would discuss techniques of calculations that will be a part of your mathematics, right? Do you know about Japanese multiplication techniques?
I know only Japanese speaking though.
Okay. So, like, there are some ancient calculation methods of mathematics that were developed in India, which help us calculate faster. So, we'll discuss those. There is something similar in Japan as well. These are called Japanese techniques of multiplications, right? So it's not exactly the same, but as efficient as the Japanese techniques, sometimes even better. So we'll be talking about those things. Today, I suppose a demo is not possible. So whenever you join the class, you'll get to know what kind of techniques are we talking about, how is it going to help you. It's not simply about doing the calculations faster. See,
So
do you
Vikram sir, we
right?
can share a whiteboard and we can just pick one small example and we can explain about it.
Okay, sure, I'll do that. Thank you. So, Arvika, do you like mathematics?
Yeah.
Do you like mathematics?
Yes.
You do. Okay. What do you like about mathematics?
Multiplication.
You like multiplications?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a pen and a paper right now?
Uh. Yeah.
Okay, great. Can you do a small multiplication for me?
A small one.
A small one.
Okay.
Uh, Somebody else has also joined. Just give me a minute.
Oh.
ज्वाइन किया है तो मैं देख लेती हूँ हमें अच्छा है ना अच्छा दूसरा आपने से बैठे थे अभी का सीखा
Hi, Ayan.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Hi, and welcome. So, Vikram sir, I think we can have a demo now. So, we got our two kits, so we can continue.
Should I continue?
Just a moment. Let us do our introduction part in a minute, then we can begin. Okay, so both of you listen very carefully. I'll be keeping you unmuted. Generally, we don't keep you unmuted. I think Ayan has joined a demo before also, so you must be aware of it. But this time I'm keeping you unmuted. You can ask whatsoever doubt you have from your mentor. But I'll tell you the flow of the session. We will be going to have a quick link session wherein I'll be going to place a few links in the chat box. Moving forward, you'll be going to have a presentation on the screen along with the dashboard for that how you can have access of your material. Okay. After that, if you'll be having any doubts, any questions coming into your mind, you can ask that on the screen, okay? But not in between, correct? So let's have a chat links now. So quickly inform us from which school and city, Ayan, you're joining us. You need to type it in the chat box, okay? Along with that, you need to mention from which grade you are in. Hi, Narayana. How are you? Good evening.
Hello.
You are on mute, honey. Whatsoever you wanted to ask from us, and we will be going to ask from you, you need to use your little fingers and type it in the chat box, okay? I am also from grade 2. From which country you are in? Okay. Ayan is from India, but Ayan, this is not grade 2 demo. This is for grade 3 and 4 demo. You wanted to join with the mathematics of grade 3 and 4? Yes, Narayani. From which school and city you are in? Please type it in the chat box. Okay, Ayan will be going to move in grade 3 month of July. Great. From July 7, you know the exact date also. Great, good to know that. And Raini, from which school and city you are in? And then we'll quickly move towards the chat links, which I'll be going to paste it in the chat box right away. Hurry up, Naraini. Okay, yes, I am. I know you have joined our demos before also. Okay, Naraini is from Jiva Gurukul. Very nice. All right, kids, then let's have a demo. So if all of you can open your chat box, I've pasted few chat links which will be related to your course. So first link is of syllabus link. If you're from grade 3, you need to click on that particular link. If you're in grade 4, you need to click on that particular grade 4 link. In case you have not enrolled yet, no need to worry. You can complete your payment process, which link has been pasted in the chat box, and we'll see you in the classes. Yes, we are always welcome to take up your feedback. So you can just fill up this feedback form and we'll get it. You have complete right to know in detail about your particular batch. So for that, what you have to do, you have to click on this all batch detail link and you'll get to know. In case you have any further queries, feel free to email us at support@olympiasuccess.com or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers. Okay. So here we go. We have Spua with us. So now I would like to invite your mentor at the platform. His name is Mr. Vikram. So all of you, I wanted to inform you that I have kept you on mute. Okay. But later on, if your mentor will want you to unmute it, we'll unmute you. Okay. But as of now, whatsoever you wanted to ask from us, and we will be able to ask from you, you need to use the path of the chat box, right? Welcome, Spuha. Please turn on your camera. I'll paste links once again for your reference. So now I would like to invite your mentor at the platform. His name is Mr. Vikram. He is into teaching profession from 7 to 8 years and he loves to interact with like you. And his classes are very engaging and interesting. And I'm sure it will be very productive from you and you will be going to learn something very good from it. Okay. So with this, over to you, Vikram, sir. And then quickly we'll have a short presentation along with the dashboard tour that how you can have access of your material. Then finally we'll begin with the demo. Okay. Over to you, Vikram, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Hi, good evening, everyone. So let me give a small introduction. My name is Vikram Rawat, and by education, I'm a mechanical engineer. As ma'am told, I've been into education for the past 7-8 years now. We'll be learning Vedic mathematics today. And before we start, I would like to simply start with a question for everybody. Can you please raise your hand if you like mathematics, the subject mathematics? Okay. Okay, great. So everybody does like mathematics, right? So it's a very simple question of multiplication. This will also give me an idea about how are you performing right now, so that we can also measure your improvement after, like, once we finish with our sessions, right? So this is for everybody. Please be ready with a notebook and a pen. Once you have the answer, please write the answers in the chat.
Okay, so with this, we will be going towards a presentation, which Megha ma'am will be going to share it on the screen, and then we'll begin with your demo, okay? So over to you, Megha ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, kids. So I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, one of its kind yearly program that includes courses that matter. We are having 8 courses: School Plus program, mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken and written, Vedic maths, and coding. What else we provide? We provide one-on-one online CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB classes from grade 2 to grade 12, and one-on-one preparation classes for various Olympiads. You can meet our rank holders. These are our kids like you only. No need to worry. You just need to spare extra 2 hours from regular studies, because Olympiad examination is quite little tougher than the regular curriculum. We are having live Olympiad sessions, group sessions with around 20 students delivered through Zoom by tutors with significant teaching experience, having 3 sessions per week: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, from 5 p.m. till 6:15 p.m. IST, with 5 minutes of break. This session includes mix of theory, practice question, doubt session, and discussion on previous year papers. Student will also get a reading material and practice papers, which will be available on the dashboard of Olympiad Success. And student will also get a free access to Olympiad Success platform to practice the topic-wise mock test. So syllabus is available on these particular link for grade 3 and grade 4. The fees of this course is rupees 3,906 rupees. It is a 15 session course, and payment can be made by using this particular link. This fees includes online class, daily reading notes and exercise, practice of previous year paper, and access to Olympiad Success platform. What else require? A laptop or desktop with good internet speed, laptop or desktop with camera, and headphones for the better audio clarity. So live classes will be starting from 26th of May 2020-25. In 2020-24, Olympiad Success has students from more than 5,000 schools across India and abroad. So this is all about informative PPT. I hope I'm clear to everyone, right? All right, over to you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So let me share my screen with all of you, and I hope my screen is visible to everybody, wherein I have entered this URL, olympiadsuccess.com, and it is directed towards this page wherein you need to enter your user ID, okay, with which you will register with us. So as of now, I'm entering one of our demo account. Enter your password, and here you get your profile details after login. Okay. So in case you find any error, you can rectify it over here and you can update it. Moving forward, you need to click on live classes for your material. Select your subject, and of course topic you can select for checking your material. So here you can see everything is customized and designed very clearly for you. So schedule will give you the clarity in which session you will be going to cover which particular topic, right? So test discussion means when you have completed one particular topic, you will be going to have a test discussion where you will be going to get a mock test paper that you'll complete it at home, and in coming session you will be going to discuss that paper with your mentor, that in case you have any doubt you can ask your mentor freely. Okay, so super classes means more practice, so in that you're going to get a previous year papers. Okay, so here is a holiday calendar. Obviously we are living in north, so no need to worry, we have vacations, so we don't want you to miss any of the sessions. So here you go with the reading material. So what are Olympiads? Olympiads are basically more and more practice, and a person should have an in-depth knowledge of particular topic. Okay, so in Olympiads, you'll be going to get more tricky questions rather than a difficult questions, right? So you should be very pro and quick to solve it immediately. So that's why you should have a complete knowledge of each and every topic. So that's why our material is here for your preference. So this is how you can prepare it. Okay. Yes, I think that's pretty much about it. Now, rest your mentor is here with you. So we'll be going to give you live more examples for your reference that you should understand Vedic mathematics properly. Okay. So this is how you can have access of your material on the dashboard. So now I would like to ask you immediately. I wanted to see whether you were attentive during the presentation or not. So quickly inform us, what are the class days and timings? Type it in the chat box and then we'll begin with the demo finally. Hurry up. Arika is smiling. I think she must have heard it properly. What are your class days and timings? And Ayan is calling something else on the screen. Is it so, Ayan? I can see your eyes are rolling up and down. I caught you. Okay, quickly type it in the chat box from with what are your class days and timings for this particular batch? Any one of you? Arvika, Spruha, Naraini, Ayan, anybody? Do you remember what are the class days and timings? Or Megham needs to inform it again? Okay, so Megham, can we have a class days and timings in the chat box, please? Oh, we got it from Megham already. So here you go, kids. Check it in the chat box and be very, very attentive. All right. So now over to you, Vikram, sir. So we can begin with the demo. No problem, Arvika. You can copy paste it. Okay.
Okay, so I hope all of you know that the class days are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and the classes will be from 5 to 6:15. As I was telling you, that we'll start with a small question. I hope everybody is ready with a pen and a paper. Shall we start? Okay. Okay. Ayan, are you ready? Ayan, just give me a thumbs up if you're ready, huh? Okay, great. I've got a thumbs up from everybody else. So I'll just simply write down a question. See, let's take a big number like 99. And when you multiply 99 with any number, let's say 82, how much time do you take? This is the question for you. Come on, give me an answer. 99 multiplied by 82. Come on, quick, everybody. $99 multiplied by 82. Two big numbers. Arvika says this is ultra super. Yes, Narayani. Do you have to say something? Just a minute.
Sir, I tried and I'm done, sir.
What?
I tried and I think I got the answer.
Write it in the chat. If you've got the answer, write it in the chat. Okay. That was fast, but not right. Come on, Ayan. Arvika, Spruha. Ayan. Very good, Spruha. Ayan, that's not right. Okay. Can you, first of all, let me just ask, have you all done two-digit multiplications? Just give me a thumbs up if you've already done this in school. Okay, Spruha has. Arvika has not. Narayani has not. What about Ayan? You can do tables till 24. Okay. But what about multiplications? No? Okay. So even if you don't know any multiplications, you can still do 99 times 82, and I'll tell you how. See, Spruha, it was only Spruha who got the right answer. Spruha, even you took more than 2.5 minutes. If I had to do it, this is how much time I would take. And it's not just this question. Even if I give myself any other question, let's say 99 times 74, this is how fast I can be. And I'll tell you how. See, generally, people make a lot of mistakes while calculating. The reason is we make the calculation so much complicated for ourselves. If things become easier for us, we'll be able to do these things a lot quicker, as well as any mistakes. For example, in case of multiplication with 99, now we must understand that this method is only applicable if one of the numbers is 99. Any number multiplied by 99, what you have to do is break the answer into two parts. There's this right hand side and there's this left hand side of the answer. And interestingly, you don't require 99 in any of your calculation. You can totally hide this number 99. You won't require 99. The only number that you need to focus on is 82. Does everybody know additions and subtractions? Everybody does. Okay, great. So starting from this right hand side, everybody please pay attention. Starting from this right hand side, Ayan, I've got your answer. You don't need to write it again. Pay attention for now. On the right hand side of the answer, write this number 82 and subtract this number 82 out of 100. Can everybody do this? Everybody can? Great. On the left hand side, look at the left hand side of the answer. Again, write down this number 82, subtract 1 from it. I hope this is not too difficult for anybody. Is it? So what's 82 minus 1? It's 81. What is 100 minus 82? It's 18. And you combine both these sides and you have your final answer. 8,118. It's that simple. Any questions, anybody? Come on, people. Any questions for me? How many of you have understood this method? Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you've understood this. Okay. Okay, Ayan. What about Nani? Okay, great. So do you think you'll be able to do another question for multiplication with 99? Okay. No, not yet. Okay. First of all, if you want to note it down, please note it down. Arvika said you did not understand. Have you understood? No. I'll explain it again. Don't worry. Ayan also did not understand. Okay. What about Narayani? Little. Okay. I'll explain it again. You did not learn this at school. Of course you did not. This is not the normal mathematical calculation. This is Vedic mathematics. Most of you won't be learning any of this in your schools. Okay. Have you all noted it down? Arvika, have you noted this? Okay. Okay, Arvika. Arvika, but is this done? This method? Nothing. Let's if you haven't understood this, I'll explain it again. Ayan, let's pay attention. I'll take another example. If you have to multiply 99 and 74, what you need to do is break the answer into two parts. Starting from this right hand side, write the number 74. Hide the number 99. Focus only on the other number, 74. Subtract 74 out of 100. On the other hand side, that is the left hand side, subtract 1 from the number 74. 74 minus 1 is 73. And 100 minus 74 is 26. That's your final answer. Now is it clear? Ayan? Narayani? Are you sure? See, on the right hand side, you subtract the number from 100. On the left hand side, you subtract 1 from the number. That's it. Okay, you're starting to understand. Let's see if you've understood or not. I'll give you one more question to try. So now you try this on your own. Try multiplying 99 and 55. Come on. Spruha. Just a minute, Spruha. Yes, Spruha. You can unmute yourself now.
After we subtract
Mm-hmm.
Below 73 and 26, we have to add or subtract. What do you have to do?
Sorry, can you repeat yourself?
99 multiplied by 74. 74 minus 1 and 100 minus 74. 74
Mhm.
minus 1 is 73 and 100 minus 74 is 26.
Yeah.
So, what do we have to do with 73 and 26?
Write it all together. That's the answer. You don't have to do anything. This will be the units place, this will be the tens place, hundreds place, and the thousands place. That's it. This is your final answer. You write all the digits together. 7326. No further calculations required. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please try the next question now. Very good, Ayan. Very good, Narayani. Both of you have got it right. See, just after 5 minutes, you were able to do the same question in less than the half time. Earlier, everybody took more than 2.5 minutes. Now, just before a minute, you have finished the answer, and that too is right. Very good, Arvika. Waiting for Spruha's answer. Yes, I am. It's correct. Great. Great, Spruha. So I'll just explain this again one more time. On the right hand side, you look at the number 55, subtract it from 100. 100 minus 55 on the right. On the left, 55 and minus 1 from it. That's it. 55 minus 1 is 54. 100 minus 55 is 45. That is your final answer. 5445. Let me give you some more questions and let's see if you've truly understood this or not. Narayani, what do you want to say? Nothing? Okay, I'll give you the chance to speak once I'm done giving you the questions, right? First, let's try some questions. 99 times 64, and let's take one more, 99 times 45. Come on, everybody. Very good, Arvika. Very good, Narayani. Yes, Narayani.
Sir, like I did it very fast and I did it both at the same time because I used the technique and I did it very fast so I can do the both at the same time.
I can see that. And you have got both of them right.
That's why
Isn't
I
that
send it
interesting?
both at the same time. If we do one and send again, it will be so hard. So if we do both at the same time, we can easily send it at once only.
That's true. See, if you've truly understood the method, you'll find that this is a very interesting way of multiplication. It's such a big number. Both the numbers are big, 99 times 64. And you can get to the answer without even actually multiplying anything. You're simply adding and subtracting some numbers and you get the answer. That's all you have to do.
So we
So
can
all these,
all do it at both at the same time in one, and we can send it in like first, like so very fast.
yes, you can. Now, can I mute everybody? Okay. How many of you found this method of multiplication interesting? Interesting as well as easy. Okay. All of you found it easy, right? Way easier than the normal method of multiplication. Great. Okay, I've got all your answers. Spruha, there's a mistake. Okay, please everybody look at the screen. I'll explain the first question first. Starting from this right hand side, simply subtract 64 out of 100. On the other side, that is the left hand side, simply subtract 1 from the number 64. You have the answer. 64 minus 1 is 63, 100 minus 64 is 36. That's your answer. Next, 99 times 45. Subtract 45 out of 100 on the right. On the left, subtract 1 from the number 45. Ayan has got both of them right. 45 minus 1 is 44. 100 minus 45 is 55. And that's your answer. Great. Narayani has got them all correct. Arvika has got them correct. Ayan has got it correct. Is this clear to everybody? Is there a question that you have for me? Are you sure? Arvika, Spruha, Ayan? No question. Okay. Ayan? Yes, Spruha.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, so on the right side you have to subtract by 100 and the left side you have to subtract by 1.
Yes, exactly.
Right.
Just two numbers that you need to remember are 100 and 1.
Okay.
That's all. Yes, Arvika?
Why should we subtract the number minus 1?
Okay, why do we do it? In grade 2 or in grade 3, it will be a little difficult for you to understand. But what I can tell you is the reason behind this is because 99 is actually 100 minus 1. So these are the two numbers that we use in the calculation. How do we get to the formula? It's something that you learn in a higher grade. Maybe when you get to 8th or 9th, you'll be able to understand it because I'll have to teach a lot of different things just to simply make you understand the logic behind it. For now, what you can understand is because 99 is 100 minus 1, that's why we use 100 this side and minus 1 on the other side. Is this much okay for now?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else? Excuse me. That's it? Okay. So everybody, please try to practice some more questions of multiplications with 99. And if you're interested in more such methods, I'll see you again in the classes. If you have any other questions before we leave, please let me know. Nothing? I'll just ask Megha ma'am if she has anything to say, or we can just end the class. Megha ma'am, are you there? Ayan. Yes, Ayan.
So we have to, when we multiply 99 by something else, we have to subtract 100 minus 64 and 64 minus 1
Yeah.
and 99 multiplied by 64.
Yes. That's right.
But how did you learn this?
How did I learn this? I had to practice it. There are people who write books on Vedic mathematics, and there are authors, there are books about Vedic mathematics. I learned it from all those books. Shall we all talk to Megha ma'am now? Yes.
Yes. So how was the demo? How did you find it? Ayan, Arvik and Sapruha. I want to know it in one adjective in the chat box, quickly. Ayan, how was the demo? How did you find it? Type it. Use the little fingers.
What?
You have to type. How was the demo? Did you find it good, excellent, average, okayish? You wanted to join the classes? Yes or no? So quickly type it in the chat box. So Naraini is back. So Naraini, you need to inform us, how did you find the demo? You need to mention it in the chat box in one adjective. Yes, Arvika, you're raising your hand. You can type it in the chat box.
But when I'm sending, it says you cannot chat with.
Okay, then you can speak up. I'll unmute turnwise turn. Ayan, tell me quickly.
It was very, 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 very good.
Amazing. So we will be going to see you in
When
the
we do
classes.
99 table, I learned that we like 99 multiplied by any number, we should follow the multiplier. And
Wow.
we should split it into two and then do 100 minus the multiplier and multiply minus 1 and then join it like that. So
Whoa. Isn't it amazing? In just 30 to 35 minutes demo, you have learned so much, right? So quickly join the class and you're going to learn a lot. Okay. Now, Arvika's turn. Thank you, Ayan. Arvika, how did you find the demo?
I found it very easy and so amazing because it was quite easy, but at first I did not understand.
Now you understood everything?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll see you in the classes. Great. Okay, so Pruha, your turn. You can unmute yourself, Pruha.
Because it was amazing, and the way we learned how much in just 5 minutes, it was brilliant.
Oh, so
I would
that's
like to learn more about this.
great.
Like the way we learned about two big numbers in just like a short form. It was
Great.
brilliant.
So there's much more in the classes, okay? So quickly join the batch. What about Naraini?
It was great. I liked this class. So I learned so much.
Oh, that's great. But you have already joined the batch, right? So you'll be going to meet Vikram sir again in the classes, okay?
Okay.
All right, everyone. Then we'll see you in the coming week, right? On next Tuesday and the regular classes, okay? Join quickly. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Good day. Bye-bye.